It was a chilly autumn afternoon when I first stumbled upon this Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner. I was hosting a small gathering at my apartment, a cozy one-bedroom space in the heart of the city. With limited kitchen real estate and a growing guest list, I was desperate for a solution that would allow me to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. That's when a friend suggested the Techwood, a portable cooktop that promised to be the perfect addition to my compact kitchen. Ready to elevate your cooking game with the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner? Don't wait any longer. Click the link below to purchase your own and start enjoying the convenience and efficiency of this incredible kitchen gadget. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner is your perfect cooking companion. Order now and transform your cooking experience. When the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner arrived, I was immediately impressed by its sleek design. The black stainless steel body gave it a modern and sophisticated look, while the cool-to-touch handles made it easy to move around. At first glance, it was clear that this was no ordinary hot plate. The compact and flat design hinted at its portability, making it ideal for small spaces like my apartment, college dorms, RVs, and even for camping trips. Setting up the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner was a breeze. I placed it on my kitchen counter, plugged it in, and it was ready to go. The first thing I noticed was the variable temperature control, which allowed me to adjust the heat settings to suit different cooking needs. With two thermostatically controlled burners, I could cook a variety of dishes simultaneously. One burner was perfect for making a pot of soup, while the other was ideal for grilling cheese sandwiches and scrambling eggs. This level of flexibility was exactly what I needed. The Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner heated up quickly, thanks to its powerful 19800W heating element. It was efficient, allowing me to cook faster than with my conventional stove. This was particularly useful during my gathering, as I could keep the food warm on one burner while cooking on the other. As the evening progressed, I began to appreciate just how versatile the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner was. The burners are compatible with all types of cookware, from aluminum pans to cast iron frying pans and non-magnetic stainless steel pots. This meant I didn't have to worry about whether my existing cookware would work with the hot plate. I even tried using a copper pan, and it heated up beautifully with minimal heat loss. One of the highlights of the evening was preparing a batch of pasta while simultaneously grilling vegetables. The even heat distribution ensured that everything cooked perfectly, with no hot spots or uneven cooking. I was able to create a delightful dinner spread, much to the delight of my guests. Safety is always a concern when it comes to portable cooking appliances, but the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner put my mind at ease with its robust safety features. The solid stainless steel riveted handles stayed cool to the touch, even during extended cooking sessions, making it easy to transport without burning my hands. The non-slip feet provided stability on my countertop, preventing any accidental spills or slips. Additionally, the built-in overheat protection ensured that the hot plate wouldn't get too hot, automatically shutting off if it reached unsafe temperatures. Compared to induction cookers, the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner didn't emit any harmful radiation, making it a safer option for everyday use. After the party, the cleanup process was remarkably simple. The stainless steel body of the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner is designed to withstand frequent use, and a quick wipe with a clean cloth was all it took to remove any food residue. The burners cool down quickly, allowing me to clean them without waiting too long. The ease of maintenance is a significant advantage, especially for someone with a busy lifestyle. Knowing that I could rely on this hot plate for both cooking and quick cleanup made it an even more valuable addition to my kitchen. Techwood's customer service deserves special mention. The hot plate comes with a 12-month promise and excellent customer support. I had a minor question about the temperature settings and decided to reach out to their customer service team. They were friendly and responsive and provided the information I needed promptly. Knowing that Techwood products are protected by US product liability insurance added an extra layer of confidence in my purchase. The Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner has become an indispensable part of my kitchen. Its convenience, flexibility, and efficiency make it perfect for anyone in need of an extra burner or a portable cooking solution. Whether you're living in a small apartment, a college dorm, or an RV, this hot plate is designed to meet your needs. Beyond its functionality, the Techwood Hot Plate electric double burner adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen with its sleek design. It's not just a hot plate, it's a versatile kitchen accessory that enhances your cooking experience. From quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners, it handles everything with ease. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and cooking tips. Your support helps us bring you the best content and recommendations. Happy cooking!